Alright. At some point, waiting for the plants to grow is just not efficient enough. It reduces the remaining growing time, so same as water. Oh, by 2 seconds. Plants grown with fertilizer will be infected. Half of its yields can also be used on plants, which has the effect of toggling the infected status. Will cure it, but if you use it on a healthy plant, it will infect it. That sounds like a pain in the ass. Get rid of that. Sunflowers collect the power of the sun. You can harvest that power. Planting them works exactly like planting carrots or pumpkins. Harvesting a grown flower yields power. If there are at least 10 sunflowers on the farm, and you harvest the one with the largest number of petals, you get 8 times more power. If you harvest a sunflower while there is a sunflower with more petals, the next flower you harvest will also give you the normal amount of power. Measure. Have at least 7 and at most 15. They can already be measured before they are fully grown. Can have the same number of petals, so there can also be several sunflowers with the largest number of petals. In this case, doesn't matter which one of them you harvest, as long as you have the drone, as long as you have power, the drone will use it to run twice as fast. It consumes 1 power every 30 actions like moves, harvest plants. Other code statements can also use power, but a lot less than drone actions. Okay, in general, everything that is sped up by speed upgrades is also sped up by power. Anything sped up by power also uses power proportional to the time it takes to execute it. Ignoring speed upgrades. Oh my goodness. Pumpkins grow like carrots on tilled soil. Planting them costs carrots. When all the pumpkins in a square are fully grown, they will grow together to form a giant pumpkin. Unfortunately, pumpkins have a 20% chance of dying once they are fully grown. It leaves behind a dead pumpkin that won't drop anything when harvested. Automatically removes the dead pumpkin, so there is no need to harvest it. Always returns false on dead pumpkins. Alright. At least 6x6 pumpkins to get the full multiplier. A NX pumpkin yields NX NX6 pumpkins for n greater than 6. How would I want to do this? Sunflowers. Get ground type. Ooh, wait, I can get entity type? That's on here? Hold on. Move north here instead. Let's clear and run this. And then I have nothing for those guys. It was because I was moving north too early. I would move north in the middle of it instead of upgrading Y. Do I have them move to X position? Let me see. I can get pos Y. Do I have a go-to? Change you off of bush, put you on pumpkin, clear, run it back. Because I have it set to plant after each harvest, if a pumpkin is bad, it'll just replant. It's RNG dependent on whether or not I get good pumpkins, but I don't really know how to check if a pumpkin is rotted or not. Sick. Sick. So we got at least a loop that hits a little bit of everything besides sunflowers. Love you, Mom. Alright, let's buy lists. I know what a list is. Oh god damn it, these women. Yeah, I'm on my way. I was just reading something. Can't be that bad. Okay. Min-max random. I like min-max random. I need to try to work petals in there, or flowers in there. You know what? Let's just refresh. In seconds since the start of the game, number of ticks performed since the start of execution. These two functions as well as quick print are completely free. Even the call operation is free for them. Runtime details, heads up. In the real world, these are just rules made up for this game to have a consistent and understandable timing model. Only care about this if you want to hyper optimize your code. The basic unit of time for code execution is called a tick. Without upgrade, the execution proceeds at 400 ticks per second. In general, combined values such as take 1 tick to run, single value, and not are free. And if branch also takes 1 tick to run in addition to the time it takes to evaluate the condition expression. Function calls, import statements are free. Dot operator is free. For and while loops take 1 tick to start, but the iterations are free, not counting the time to evaluate the condition/sequence expressions. Return, break, and continue are all free. pass takes 1 tick, so it can be used to create precise delays. Indexing into a data structure takes 1 tick for the index operator, and in the case of a dictionary or set, additional ticks depending on the size of the key. Sick. And you know what? Fuck it, we expand. Alright. Move. North. And backspace. Move. East. I should plant all pumpkins. While I wait, I'm actually going to replace this with bush so that I stop wasting that. Why didn't you harvest? Oh, because it had to harvest that. Hey, that's actually sick. Oh my god, you bitch. Alright. I don't got enough carrots for that. Yeah, fuck it. We'll grab utilities. And dictionaries are a data structure that allows you to map keys and values in the same way that a real dictionary maps words to their definitions, and you can look them up real quick. A dictionary can be right of equals northeast, east south, southwest, west north. The expression before the colon is the key, and the expression after the colon is the value to which the key maps. The above dictionary maps each direction to the direction to its right. Here's yet another one of them. Any cost can be represented as a dictionary that maps to numbers. Get cost function return such dictionary.
Katie Bear, come here. Katie Bear? Katie Bear? Come here. Come here, Pumpkin. Thanks.
See ya. Alright. Okay. For item in cost. Amount of this item needed equals cost item. Pumpkins. And let's run it and see if it It should give me the max pumpkin size. It's not harvesting. It's not the best pumpkin farming method, since it's waiting till the end. Might call it here. It's not the best farm I've ever made, but really I just need to wait and farm up some more stuff. Ooh, what's this? Trees. Cool. All the things that require wood are now upwards of 600 or 60k. At least 50k. Need 3k for polyculture. I don't even know what that is. Cool. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it on this game today.